Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today, we are explore how to create layered image layouts with Frame Mask. Begin by opening Photoshop and creating a new document. Use the Frame tool to draw multiple overlapping frames for your images. Drag your visuals into the frames, adjusting scale and placement to maintain focus. Layer frames strategically to create depth and hierarchy in your layout. You can also add text or graphic elements between layers for added interest. Group frames and layers for easier management. Optional tip: apply subtle shadows or strokes to enhance separation between layers. Practice arranging different images and frames